This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, and so there's two things. If you go plus new on the left,
plus
new. So
new, yeah. Okay.
So this is for where you decide what you're paying people. Go pay bills. So it can't pay a bill unless the bill is in there. So that's where Dex comes in, gets the bills in, claims the VAT, all that stuff. And okay, so there's all these bills in date order here and when they're due. So if you click on, say, filter on the left there, Fintan.
Filter, yeah, right.
And where it says payee, put in pet crematorium. Just type, it'll start to come up when you start typing. Yeah. And go apply. So that'll just have the pet crematorium crowds up here. So all those bills are there. And now you see in the top right where it says 00 total payment amount.
Yep.
So if you say tick off 5 or 6 of those there.
You just click on them, is it?
Yeah, click on that button on the left. Okay, and it's starting pilot, so it's totaling up those bills. So you're happy to pay these, we'll say, right? And you see where it says reference number 160 up the top there.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, just put DD there or bank payment, you know, whatever you like.
Bank transfer or something, yeah.
Now you haven't paid these yet at all, but no. Okay, so but we're going to, but it's giving you the total there, 964.76. So just go save. Bottom right.
But these probably are paid, but anyway, this is where we're so far behind with this.
Well, there's no sign of it there now. So I'll show you the signal in a second. Just go save.
21 on them, yeah, is it? Yeah, second 21. They're definitely paid, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you say to do?
Click the word save in the bottom right.
Yep.
Now, you haven't paid them yet, right? Now you might do that with 5 or 6 different crowds. Okay. And just go save, save, save. And just come out of here now. Exit on the top right there. So when you get a quiet moment and you're sitting down to pay these crowds, there's a few places you'll find it. But if you just click on, say, the bank, where it says bank current account, yeah, in QuickBooks, just click on there. And click on bank register, for instance. There's a few places you'll find this information, but you can click on there as well. Have you gone click on bank register yet?
Bank register. Go to bank register, is it?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
So there's that amount. So you would have a list of amounts there, and you can open your online banking and pay off pet crematorium 964, someone else, something else, and so on. Okay. And when the bank tells, when it sends it over from the bank that this money's come out, the word match will come up beside these, and it's already in there. It's just matching up the money has actually gone through. Okay. And it keeps your bank reconciliation, that green symbol beside all those numbers in the middle there. That means it's downloaded from the bank. If suddenly
that seems to come up anyway, does it?
No. If you enter something on this and it didn't come through the bank, that won't come up. Yeah.
But if something has got, like when I was doing the bank rec, for example, there'd be loads of queries like that, match or or add or whatever. Is that what's happening there?
Yeah, well, they've sent over the figures from the bank. Yeah, that's true. But you might have something in here that someone hasn't cashed a check. Then the green symbol won't be beside it. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Or something could be in twice. It'll be beside it once and not in beside it the second time. So all those items that are in the waiting room out there that we saw, like a lot of them are pre-programmed. They're just waiting to be told to go in. So if you just click on the dashboard again.
So the question I have there is, right, let's say I didn't do that there now, right? And then the money has gone out of on the bank account and it's looking for me to match it up. When I match that up, does that automatically take it off their creditor's account on
it does, yeah. So I'll show you what you mean there now. So if you go to plus new again and pay bills. Because this is happening a good bit here. So, and don't go filtering here. So you see there at the top, you got Clark's Auto Service, the Dext download and all that. Then you've 185, 185, 328. You see where it says credit applied? See on open balance, credit applied and payment. See that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Well, when we did that with crematorium, that line wasn't open. So across from Eason's, it says not available. If you click into any of those, see beside Chanel Veterinary, click in beside, just click into one of those empty boxes. No, not that one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Click the credit applied box.
Yes. Can I excuse myself a second? Do you see there?
Yeah.
There's 120,997
Yeah, what does that
paid
mean?
in against Chanel that hasn't been put against bills. That's what that means there.
That means it's saying we owe them that, is it?
No, it means you paid that, but you haven't marked it off against any bill.
Yeah. This is where we're at. We're not.
Yeah.
We haven't,
Do you
we
mind
haven't done
clicking down through that and having a feel of that? And is it okay if you stay on there and I just come out of this for a minute?
Yep. Yep.
Just something I've got to attend to has come up. Is that all right?
You know what, Kevin? Yeah, you come back to your
And I will be back. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.